Welcome all to Nature's Pearls. Today let us watch a beautiful bird of our locality, namely red-vented bulbul. So this red-vented bulbul is a member of the bulbul family of passerines. It is a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent, including Sri Lanka, extending east to Burma and parts of Tibet. It has been introduced in many other parts of the world and has established itself in the wild. Wow, the beautiful red-vented bulbul visits my home vegetable garden. It sits in the brinjal plant and it is flying from one plant to the other, searching for insects, and usually eats fruit, flower buds as well as insects. So this red-vented bulbul is easily identified by its short crest, giving the head a squarish appearance. The body is dark brown. It belongs to phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Passeriformes, family Pycnonotidae, and its scientific name is Pycnonotus cafer. The rump is white while the vent is red. The black tail is tipped in white. Sexes are similar in plumage, but young birds are duller than the adults. One more closer view. Now here you can see the underside of the bird. Wow, wonderfully it perches on the ground also. So it is a medium-sized bird with a black crest and white rump. The red color under the tail is often difficult to see. This is a bird of dry scrub, open forests, plains and cultivated lands. These birds learn to avoid the repellent chemicals. They can also disperse the seeds of invasive plants like lantana. It is an aggressive pest also, destroying the flowers of beans, tomato, peas, etc. Breeding season is from January to October. The male and female are similar in appearance, although the male tends to be slightly larger. Hope it was informative to you and you enjoyed the beauty of red-vented bulbul, Pycnonotus cafer. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.